Caillou, wake up. Let's go to school, we don't want to be late.
Wait, what? I don't want to go to school.
How dare you, Caillou, go to the car now before I ground you for 2763 years. I don't know why that kid doesn't like education. Now you better behave, if you do we will go to Chuck E. Cheese.
This is so boring. Wait a minute, I can pull the fire alarm. Miss Martin, may I please go to the bathroom?
All right, but be quick, we have an exam.
I gotta run.
Looks like the alarm is on. There is a fire. Line up, everyone fast. 1, 2, 3. Where is caillou?
Miss Martin, when I was in the bathroom I heard the fire alarm.
Let's go now. Principal, do you know what happened?
I don't know, there is no fire. I think someone pulled it. I will go look in the hidden security camera footage.
Uh-oh. Yes, Principal?
How dare you turn on the fire alarm? That's it, I will be calling your parents. Your son pulled the fire alarm. Can you please come and take him because he is suspended for 1 week?
Caillou, how dare you pull the fire alarm? You are so grounded for 276349820123931739173938193713932939393819329329329323 years. Caillou, how dare you pull the fire alarm? Stay in the car forever without anything.
Oh wait, he forgot the car keys. I can drive and get out of here.
No, he left. Hello 911, my son drove away with my car. The car is white and he is bald with a yellow shirt.
Is that him, sir?
Yes, and take him to jail.